From walking the castle walls of Dubrovnik to running from a bear in Montana.
Get away from the bear! What the heck is the matter with you?
From exploring the bustling city of Porto to making friends in rural villages in Sri Lanka. 2023 is without a doubt one of the best years of my life. I probably say that every year. We started off the year roasting an entire pig. We had absolutely no clue what we were doing, but we had a ton of fun. And most importantly, didn't give anyone food poisoning. I then jumped on a plane for the beautiful island nation of Sri Lanka. We drove around the entire southern half of the island, eating delicious food.
All right, I'm getting spoon-fed by Robbie.
Yeah.
Taking in some epic views and wildlife, laughing a lot, and meeting some incredible people. In February, we watched the Eagles get beat by the Chiefs in the Super Bowl, which I assume is the reason why Taylor Swift dumped the Eagles and became a Chiefs fan. But there's still some Eagles fans out there. I don't really want to talk about UNC basketball this past season. All I know is this year, we're looking like a tournament team. 2023, we checked off not one, but 4 national parks. This is definitely like a thing for us now. We're gonna try to go to a new national park every year. So the Grand Canyon was first.
Can you fill up my water?
We camped, hiked, and road tripped down to Sedona to explore some caves.
We got lost for a little bit. It's definitely my fault. I tried to go a different way. Turns out it was not a different way. It was not a way at all.
We also flew out to Montana and Wyoming to hit Glacier, Yellowstone, and the Grand Tetons. We had some friends join us for these parks, which always makes it more fun.
Welcome to the backcountry.
Also, I've always wanted to see a grizzly, and I finally saw one in Yellowstone. Yes, it was 300 yards away, and I wasn't in imminent danger, but count it. We also had some close encounters with other bears.
What's that?
The hikes out west are just so much cooler than the East Coast. I mean, we hiked to a glacier. I even took a dip in the glacial lake.
Can you feel your toes?
No, my toes are freezing.
If you've watched this channel for a while, you know that I love to fish, but it's a running theme that I never really catch anything. Well, that all changed in Montana. I caught 1 fish.
Dang.
Woo! This year I also traveled to 12 countries. A large number of those I knocked out on an Eastern European road trip. Starting in Bratislava, Slovakia, we made our way down through the Balkan countries, exploring different cities, and getting to know the local culture. We hit Hungary, Serbia, Macedonia, Albania, Montenegro, Bosnia, Croatia, Slovenia, and Austria. Guys, don't sleep on Eastern Europe. There's some gems there, like this lake we swam in Macedonia. Or how about an ancient fortress? Dubrovnik has to be one of the coolest cities I've ever been to. After Eastern Europe, I flew over to Portugal to meet up with Amanda and my family. Portugal's a pretty popular destination right now, and I can see why. We started off on the island of Madeira, which is where some famous soccer players from. It's like the Hawaii of Europe. Huge cliffs, beautiful water, stunning hikes, these cool natural swimming pools, and exquisite local cuisine.
This sunrise is brought to you by...
We then went to my cousin's wedding in Porto. Congratulations, Will and Mariana. Grant and I were almost late to the wedding because we wanted to get a Portuguese haircut. If you've never had a haircut in a foreign country, you are truly missing out. Porto was super picturesque. A beautiful riverfront, lots of unique architecture, and unique people. We then drove down to the southern part of Portugal. It was a lot of fun just hanging with the family and being super weird.
Take me to a place, got me on the way, ooh la la la, I guess I caught a vibe, ooh la la la, oh my.
We rented this cool Airbnb near the coast and then just bopped around to different beaches every day. Definitely put Portugal on your list. The rest of the year we just had a lot of fun hanging out with family and friends.
Along the way, alongside you, it's a good day. Along the way, alongside of you.
But 2023 wasn't without its lows. This year, I lost my grandfather. He was an amazing man, full of life, full of adventure, and full of hope, even though he was battling this terrible disease. His joy and his impact on others couldn't be taken by death, which I think is something we can all remember each year that passes. Make your legacy of eternal value. "2023 was truly awesome, full of adventure, but I haven't told you about the biggest adventure yet." 1, 2, 3! That's right, our biggest adventure yet, baby girl Perry coming to the family, 2024.